Hi, good evening, friends. I hope everyone's okay at the moment. And by the way, today is Friday, 16th of October 2020, and the time now is 6:15 p.m. So I just want to show you what I have done today. So basically, I backfill this part of strip number 2 and 3. So this is the partition, but I'm going to put like a strip so I can pour it monolithic. And this one, the reason why it's deep in here, because this is a water channel line. So this edge is a water channel. So this is a thickened edge. Yeah. And also this is the channel line as well that connects this existing. So this is the like a wall. So and I put like nails to hold the concrete when it dries. Yeah. So I'm going to pour this on Monday because I won't be here Saturday and Sunday because I have to go to church and buy some groceries and other stuff in Manco. So yeah, I have a lot of activities on Monday because at that time I can remove or strips all those formworks on upper part of concrete footpath where I pour 2 days ago. Yeah. So I start late today because I went to Bunnings to buy builder's mix. So that's the builder mix I bought this afternoon about 2 p.m. Yeah, we have a beautiful day today. Yeah. Summer's just around the corner. It's a beautiful day. Alright, so after pouring on Monday, I might be able to backfill this strip 3 and 4. This is 3 and 4, sorry. This is 5 and 6. But the joints isn't here. So this crumb is not perfectly square because that part there is narrower, and this part here is thickened. I mean the upper part is wider than the bottom, so that's why if you get the measurement from the wall, it ends up here. But since the water channel is aligned, so I take the measurement from this wall to be able to get the proper alignment for water channel. Yeah. Alright, so I'll show you so far the upper part is curing. So there's no shrinking yet, so meaning still wet. So this one here, I'm gonna remove this on Monday. So basically everything will be stripped on Monday. Yeah. So this is the clean out. So there's a bit of crack in here, so I can fix it. Alright. So basically we have 3 clean outs. This one, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, my friends, thank you so much. And yeah, I have to knock off now, so I have nothing to do. So see you on Monday. Please be safe, God bless, and take care, and bye for now.